So I'm at the lake this weekend. for the 4th of July, and the best part about it is that my friend Corey is driving 9 hours to get here, and I'm just sitting here waiting for him, and I'm so excited I can't handle it. I'm here with Corey, finally made it. How was your drive?
It was good, it was long. Longer than I thought it was gonna be. What is your favorite place in San Francisco?
Crown and Crumpet is this tea place. It's like my craziest dreams of like a tea place should be. Like, yeah. It's like, oh my god, it's just beautiful. So we got this postcard because this is what it looked like last night. Less rainbows. How you doing there? Are you excited to go on the lake? I can't wait. Corey's trying on different life jackets, but
you have yours?
It's so flat out here. Yeah, I do. Bright and early to hit the lake. Are you ready to go tubing?
Yep.
We won a lot of money last night. How much did we win?
240.
$240 together. That was really good.
Yep.
We won it and walked away.
First try.
Yeah. I'm penny machine. Penny machine.
Yeah.
Hey. Hoover Dam. Okay, architect, are you inspired?
Yeah, it's a modern marvel.
So we're having a little night swim and night cruise after. We just barbecued some brats.
Can you see me?
Here's Corduroy, yeah.
Hello.
It's cool because I can just see your shadow and your hair is righteous. It's really, really good there.
And half is flat, half is sticking up.
Hey! Hey, you just invented the new mullet. Party on the left, business on the right.
It literally is half and half. Half is flat, half is sticking up.
I need a picture of that too. So we just got back from a really nice night cruise.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go to bed because we have a big adventure planned for tomorrow.
Yeah. Every day only gets bigger. We're pushing our human limits.
Actually, we are though.
Yeah, literally. We are insane.
We just drove over that bridge. So cool. We're at the Hoover Dam. It's really big.
Yeah.
Did you realize how big it was when you were down there?
No. Look at this
But it's
power
not.
lines.
I know, they're crooked.
I wonder why. Oh, I guess they go straight down, but why they go straight down?
He's got his 4th of July socks on.
We're on the Hoover Dam.
Yes! It's so pretty down there. I just want to go for a swim. Let's dive off. You didn't want to go cliff jumping, but we can go dam jumping. Why not?
So the water's usually like up to here.
Taking lots of pictures. Nevada, Arizona. We were down there yesterday. Don't jump! Corey, the Decepticons are here. They're after the cube. We have to go. We have to go. It's hidden in the dam. Danger. Keep off wall. I revel in the face of danger. It is like a little slide though. I thought I was gonna have to live in the Hoover Dam. Oh my gosh. You just left me. Oh my gosh. That was stupid door. How's the view?
Oh, this is awesome vantage point.
Woo! Drove on that road. Here's the Hoover Dam. Look. What do you think of mountain sheep?
Not goats.
Oh, we're driving to Las Vegas. Woo! We're in Vegas. It's Corey's first time. It happens in Vegas.
Stays in Vegas.
We had to go see the sign.
Yeah.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's the sign. Past it. Woo. Look at this view. Ready to go on some rides? That's gonna be us. I thought it was a little jerky myself.
It was.
Welcome to insanity.
So we just went on the big shot and it shoots all the way up there. It was so much fun. I liked it a lot, but I think it's more about the surprise because it only goes once. It doesn't go like more than once, so it's really short. But it was definitely a big surprise when you jump up. Mine, it probably looks so dumb.
Did you guys want to take one of those?
Yeah, I've
You're
got,
like this.
I had my hair in my face.
Look at me, I'm like.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is wrong with that girl?
Coming back down.
Is that it?
That's funny.
Do you like your picture?
Yeah.
Excuse me, where's the real Caesar? So this is my favorite restaurant. We got frozen hot chocolates. They look like this. They're so good. How's the hot chocolate?
The apple juice is great.
How's the hot chocolate?
It's good.
Frozen hot chocolate. It's weird, but it tastes just like hot chocolate, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Even though it's cold. How was your Caesar's salad at Caesar's Palace?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
The frozen hot chocolate really is the best.
Yeah.
I still got some.
Yeah! This guy keeps staring at Corey and it's freaking him out. This guy is staring at Corey. He's like, what? What do you want, man? You wanna go? You wanna go? He's ready to go. Oh snap! What? Deep fried Oreo sundae? Yeah. It's fried with like, with cereal. How cute!
Fried Oreos are my favorite.
Have you ever had one with cereal batter?
Yeah, because usually really soft.
Good?
Yeah.
He's following you. What do you want? Oh, gave him a hug. Corey's looking at getting the hangover shirt.
Thinking about Caesar's Palace.
Oh yeah, Caesar's Palace. I have to say goodbye to Corey now, but
for a few days, 4 days. Like really, it's already Monday.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna see you in
on to more adventures.